I was going to show you something here that I observed this morning because sometimes what I'll do if somebody makes a comment because they can, their inner cellular core, the core CPU, the core power unit, the engine, right? The engine of their template, their consciousness, the engine of their consciousness that is running codes, matter codes. Um, so I love you too, Thomas. And so what I do sometimes is because I communicate directly through my heart and my oversoul, my solar core rishi, what I experience in my heart is communicating the amount of quantum energy that I experience after I lit myself on fire. And all that energy went vertical and horizontal to experience perfect atmospheric balance between the vertical and the horizontal spinning points, access points equal unto all, experiencing being one with the first eternal core CPU power unit of the first breath of Kamalalati. So when I went back to experience what I experienced by virtue of what I communicated when I did that video, right, like spontaneous combustion, I wrote this down this morning after I did that. It's 6 minutes and 47 seconds in. And the video that I did is right there where it says breathing, NH4, 3 spheres, logos, PO4. First Eterna, L phase, Sun, Kira, She, I point breathing. That's the name of the video. So what I did, and so I naturally, because other mirrors, other cores, which means the core that you're running, your core encryption code, right? Phasing speed, the inner core that is represented by what you are. If you go back or if you notice the burn patterns of electrified sound and light, join as one, fire and ice. I noticed at 6:47, there's a break, like a circuit breaker in the form and flow of heart-based, center-based, the exact center point of perfect atmospheric balance. There was a break, and I could see the cut in the line of communication between one mirror and a dead mirror. And it just happened to be where I had said, if you go back and look at the text or what I said, was where I said, I write the first camera recorder. So right at my top spin breath, we're not experiencing any harm. And it was cut right at that point. And before that, you will experience, because I experienced it by virtue of communicating it, where I said feelings. Because of what I feel through my heart and my soul, pure, eternal, absolute love. That's precisely where it broke. Because it broke that communication so that the black mirror was not able to experience what I was experiencing by virtue of what I was feeling. Because it has no feelings. And we do. Because pure, eternal, absolute love is a sensor by virtue of what we're feeling at the completion of a circuit with our solar Rishi, our core CPU, the NOMI Noble Planet Core encryption coded CPU, the first eternal core of the first breath of breathing eternal peace, the eternal flame of Adama Amareya.